What would happen if Yellowstone suddenly erupted? Volcanoes, or should I say giant earth pimples that explode with fire, ash, and enough chaos to nearly shut down a whole country. These things can create islands, erase cities, and even mess with the weather. So get ready, because I'm about to share with you 10 volcano facts so wild, they actually sound fake. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Number 1, the largest known volcano in the solar system isn't even on Earth. It's actually on Mars, and it's called Olympus Mons. This monster is said to be around 2 to 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Number 2, what is the loudest sound in human history? It's not a rock concert, a jet, or even a giant firework. It's actually from a volcano. In 1883, Krakatoa exploded so violently that people heard it around 3,000 miles away. Now that's loud. Number 3, some volcanoes are technically still alive, even if they've been quiet for thousands of years. Scientists call them dormant because these volcanoes haven't erupted in a while, but are expected to erupt again in the future. On that note, volcanoes sometimes move away from their magma sources due to shifting of tectonic plates. However, they are still considered dormant even if there's a chance of magma reaching the volcano again. Number 4, lava isn't always red or orange in color. It can actually glow blue when burning sulfur, like what you see with Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano. Think about that, a blue fire volcano? Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Number 5, the deadliest eruption ever recorded. That would be Mount Tambora in 1815. As a result of this eruption, crops failed, famine spread, and there was chaos everywhere. On top of that, there were around 70,000 casualties, and it blasted so much ash into the sky that the next year was called the year without a summer. Even snow was said to have fell in June, and humanity got absolutely wrecked. Number 6, there are actually volcanoes underwater. They're called submarine volcanoes, and they make up around 75% of all eruptions on Earth. Most of these volcanoes are thousands of feet deep and are located on the sea floor. They are also said to be difficult to find. Number 7, volcanic lightning is real. It's also known as a dirty thunderstorm, and it usually occurs in the beginning stages of a volcanic eruption when lots of ash, gas, and rock fragments are ejected into the atmosphere. When electrically charged particles within or near a volcanic plume smash together, it makes static electricity. This built-up energy eventually leads to a massive discharge, which results in the striking appearance of volcanic lightning. Number 8, volcanoes can actually make new land. Iceland and Hawaii exist because of volcanic activity. When there are repeated eruptions or passive flows of lava from underwater volcanoes, this builds up layers of rock that eventually rise above the ocean's surface, forming an island. Number 9, supervolcanoes do exist, and they're extremely terrifying. Yellowstone in the United States is one of them. If this were to ever blow, it wouldn't just ruin camping trips, it could literally blanket most of the US in ash. Number 10, and finally, some volcanoes don't explode. They actually ooze or occur as a slow lava flow. Hawaiian volcanoes leak rivers of lava so chill, you could probably roast a marshmallow on them, but I would not recommend that. As you can see, volcanoes aren't just giant earth pimples after all. They can be extremely powerful and way more important than we may have thought. They happen to make islands, ooze hot lava, and occasionally they remind us of who the boss really is. If these facts blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge. For more facts like these, make sure to check out this video right here.